Okay, so I have them all chopped up. You can see that's a lot of chives. So this is going to take me a while to wash them up and get them all prepped. So the next time you see the chives is when they're going to get ready for whichever project this video is for. And I have a scaredy dog because it's raining and there was some thunder. So she will be up my butt the whole time. Okay, so in this one, I have coconut oil, which you see me putting in. Now, I need to wait for this to cook down a little bit to see if I need to add some more oil into it or not, because I really packed it in there. But we'll wait and we'll see. But we'll be back tomorrow to see the end results of these. And I still have all this, and are you ready for it? All that still to process. Okay, so that'll be another video, but we'll be back tomorrow for the oil. Okay, it's actually been 2 days. And it's just because I got sidetracked. I meant to do it yesterday and I just got sidetracked. But the smell, it's amazing. So in my strainer here, I have a coffee filter. And I'm just going to do small batches of this at a time. So then that way, I know it's getting cleaned out. But I'm doing them both the same way, so I'm only going to show you guys the one. And this one is the coconut oil. And this should strain out very nicely. But I'll be back when this is all done. Okay, and here they are all nicely strained out. So this one is the coconut oil. You can see it's not quite as dark, but the smell of it is just unbelievable. I can't even begin to explain the smell of this. And no, I'm not going to taste it because that's just kind of gross. I don't dip my finger into oil and eat it. And then this one is the olive oil. It is such a dark color, but it is stunning. Now the chives in this one, deep fried. The chives in this one, just cooked. So I thought that was quite interesting. But we will try these out and see how they taste. I think this one, honestly, is probably going to be my favorite. Just by the way it smells and how it came about. But we will see, because I want to know the difference between coconut oil infused oil and olive oil infused oil. And you can see I got a lot out of both. Okay, so there we go. Chive infused oil 2 ways. Have you ever done this? And if so, what's your favorite oil to use? Maybe I'll try it next time. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and I will talk to you again very soon. Bye.